In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If you want your cuts to feel smoother and more polished, transitions are a simple way to improve the flow between clips. In DaVinci Resolve, adding them is very straightforward, and once you know where to find them, you can apply and adjust them in just a few clicks. To get started, go to your project in DaVinci Resolve, and make sure you're looking at your timeline with your video clips already placed where you want them. From here, move your attention to the top left area of the interface and click on Effects. This is where Resolve keeps a variety of tools you can apply to your edit, including transitions. After opening Effects, look just below for the Toolbox section. Inside the toolbox, open Video Transitions. This will reveal the different transitions available for your clips. You'll usually see a range of options here, from simple dissolves to more stylized effects. If you're aiming for a clean and professional look, subtle transitions are often the best choice, especially for tutorials, vlogs, interviews, and general content. Once you can see the transitions, simply click on the one you want and drag it onto your video clip. You'll want to place it on either the left edge or the right edge of a clip, depending on where you want the transition to happen. As soon as you drop it in place, the transition is added. That's really all it takes to apply one. A useful thing to keep in mind is placement. If you add a transition at the beginning of a clip, it affects how that clip enters. If you add it at the end, it affects how that clip exits. So be sure to drag it to the correct edge based on the result you want in your edit. You can also customize the transition further if the default look isn't quite right for your project. To do that, click directly on the transition in your timeline, then go to the top right and click Inspector. In the inspector, you can edit the transition settings and fine-tune how it behaves. This is helpful if you want to adjust the timing or make the transition better, match the pacing of your video, and that's how to add transitions in DaVinci Resolve. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very quick part of the editing process and can make your videos feel much more polished and intentional.